I think the one that seems to be the most interesting we call SUBA, S-U-B-A, and SUBA is a proprietary IP-based bioavailability enhancement technology. And basically it's a dispersion technology, which is a new and up-and-coming type of bioavailability enhancement technology. SUBA is one that we have proven works. We have pending approvals in the U.S. and we have a product approved in Europe. And again, these are done with partners for partnering, distribution. The second one is clean taste technology, and clean taste is used for obviously taste masking and also for setting up more stable oral dosage forms, and it is also available for licensing and or partnering for development. The third one is our pellet technology, and this is either extrusion or spheronization and its operation. And so those are the three that are more oriented to IP and an IP-like relationship. When a client approaches us with a life cycle type of problem where they have an API that's active, it's approved, it's working, but they see that it needs enhancement, if you will, or lifecycle management, as we call it in the industry, we would sit down with them and look at whether it's a SUBA or a pellet or a matrix, which would work best. I mean, how much time would it take to achieve those goals? And what kind of, how would it fit in the regulatory, application process? And we would do those things sitting down with a client and just ding them off like that. And maybe it's a liquid instead of a tablet. I mean, all types of things like that are now on the table for us to be able to work with. If there is a need to work with licensing one of our proprietary technologies, there's two pathways. One of them is you turn your new chemical entity API over to metrics, and we run through the bench test if it's feasible, and you want to commit to do a proposal and a quote and timetable, we can run it right through the whole development process. Formulation development, CTM manufacturing, commercial. That's one way. The other way is if you have your own technicians and your own formulation skills, we can license the technology to you, and we can be associated with it to coach as needed, through the process of development and your scale up within your own organization.